everyone. In today's video, I'm using a new favorite tool of mine. Before I started the 100-day project, I had done some designs with this. It is just a plastic citrus peeler. I'll link it down below. I was actually having a hard time finding them in stores, so I bought it online off of Amazon. I use this a lot with my gold paint. It's all dried on there. But I have some gold, some white, and some black paint, and this was working out really well just to do some, this end is almost like an oval shape, and it's not super flat, so it doesn't make the most even shape, but if you want just some really organic little marks, that side worked well. And then obviously this side is really thin. It worked really well for making like rectangle or square shapes. So it's just obviously plastic tool, very inexpensive to use or to buy, and very easy to use. So I used up some pages. I don't know. I was using up some pages, and I used ones where I had just made these marks with the clothespin, and it worked out really well. And when I was collaging with them, I really liked the way that these marks looked. So I'm going to just do some simple mark making with this. And I'm going to start out, I kind of want to do some gold on this one. So my gold was thinned down. I used this for a different video on my other channel, but it's just a really thin fluid acrylic gold, and I'm just going to start seeing what kind of marks I can make with this. It's going to be, because of how thin it is, the marks are going to be almost a little see-through. But once it dries, that gold is going to be really bold. So if you don't like it this thin, you could just use it straight from the tube, which will again give you a slightly different look. But I'm liking how this is looking, especially on this light green background. So I'm just going to keep on going with this and fill up my page, and I'm going to go off my page at the top here in a few areas. All right, so that one, again, just super simple, easy pattern. I'm going to wipe this off and I think do some white on my next one, although I could do some white on the blue too. So I'm going to set this one aside, but very easy, simple design. Love the way that that looks. Okay, so, or do I want to do, yeah, I think I'm going to do white on this one. I'm going to do some black on this one and just All right, so that one, nice little organic repetitive shapes. You could go either way. Ooh, I like the way that looks too, that way. But I'm gonna try the white on this one. And I'm going to use the other end and just show you what this little oval shape looks like. And this is just some fluid acrylic white paint, so it's nice and thin and nice little, almost like, again, little flower petal shape. Okay, so that turned out really nice. I think doing some flower designs with this would turn out really, really well. So I may try that out again in the future. But overall, just those cute little repetitive, simple designs that you could make with just some easy household items. Like I said, with my gold oil paint, this was one of my favorites to use for a little bit, so I'm glad I get to try it out with some different designs. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if there are other tools that you would like to see me use. And I will see you tomorrow.